A man sustained bullet injuries after gunshot was allegedly fired from the camp of 2nd Maha Regiment located at Kumbi Setapur in Bisnupur district around noon today. The injured person has been identified as 41-year-old Oinam Bihari, also known as Ibomcha, son of Oinam Sanajauba and a resident of Kairenfabi under Kumbi police station. According to police, Bihari, who worked as a salesman at a vehicle spare parts shop at Kumbi Thongkong, was standing in front of the shop when he suddenly felt a sharp pain and realized he had been shot in the right thigh. He was immediately rushed to the nearby 2nd Maha Regiment camp at Setapur, where doctor administered first aid treatment. Police sources confirmed that the incident occurred shortly after 12 noon. Locals expressed suspicion that the gunshot may have been a mistaken or accidental discharge from the 2nd Maha Regiment camp.